Pan-European FBA enables thousands of businesses to sell across Europe easily and at a lower cost. With Pan-European FBA, you can reach millions of customers across Europe with your products eligible for Prime Badge. Delight your customers with fast and reliable delivery from Amazon, which can boost your FBA sales and benefit from lower fulfillment costs in countries where you store your FBA inventory. Here's how it works. List your FBA products in the required Amazon European stores. Select the countries in which to store your inventory and send your products to your Amazon local fulfillment center. Amazon will distribute and store them in those countries where you enabled storage, according to the expected customer demand and at no cost to you. Once sold, Amazon picks, packs, and delivers your orders locally or cross-border. In the countries where you choose to store inventory, customers will get their orders even faster and at a lower domestic fulfillment fee. But there is more. Amazon supports your international growth by providing dedicated solutions for VAT compliance. VAT Services on Amazon is a solution to manage effectively your European VAT registration and filing obligations. Accelerate your growth by enabling additional countries where Amazon will store your products, providing the fast delivery that customers love and lowering your fulfillment costs. Here's how to get started. List your FBA products in Amazon European stores. Choose where to store them. Send your inventory to an Amazon fulfillment center and let Amazon take care of the rest. It's time for you to explore Europe and grow your business internationally. Let's get started.